All right, guys, this is simple. Here you go. VQ40De 4.0 Nissan V6 cylinder timing chain replacement. Number one, TAC. Line up your crank right here. You're cranking that notch right there. You're good. Then you set your secondary chain. You got to make sure there's a dowel that this sprocket lines up, so you can't mess that up. So you line up the two dots here and here on that sprocket. Run it back here about almost opposite 12 o'clock from those two notches on the phaser. There'll be a notch on the phaser, as you can see. You gotta make sure that lines up. Once you have that lined up, you put it in, you'll see your phaser has a marking right here, timing mark. That's supposed to line up with the front cover case. Once you have that, this should line in with this dowel pin. Same thing with the phaser. It will sit flush, and you'll have your number one cam blows phasing up. That's it. Same thing goes for the opposite side. Same thing, reverse image. You do it on this side. Two notches, timing notch, and a rear notch lined up. That's it. Set.